Hello, in this video, we will continue our last project about Arduino in Tinkercad. So let us first go to our project by typing tinkercad.com. And then let us turn on the desktop site. And we should go to this circuit. And here is our latest project in Arduino. So let us first duplicate this project. Just wait until the website to load. So here, as you can see, our wirings are so messy. So in order to counter that problem or to solve that problem, we will going to use a breadboard to organize our wirings from the sensors into Arduino board. So first, let us get this Arduino board. Just wait. Okay. I will add a new Arduino board because later on, we will delete this all. So this will serve as our reference. Okay. And next is our breadboard. So let us arrange like that. Okay. As you can see, this horizontal are for the ground. And this another horizontal block, this one is for the power, same as below. So let us connect first this power into the power itself, and the wire color should be red. Next is we will connect this ground into another ground, just like that, and the color should be black. Just wait, I will arrange these wirings first. Okay. And let us connect our breadboard into an Arduino. So let's connect first our ground into the ground in Arduino, and then let's connect the power of the breadboard into the power of Arduino, and let us change the color into red. Okay. So we are done setting up our Arduino board and the breadboard connection. So let us proceed with the sensor. First, as you can see at this reference, we are using the ultrasonic sensor or the ultrasonic distance sensor. So let us get that one. Go to all and search for ultrasonic distance sensor. Okay, nothing result. Ultrasonic. So here, let's us add this one. Just wait. Okay, and let us align at this position. And next is we are just copying these wirings, and we will connect those wires into designated ports over the pin. So this first one will goes under the power. So let us copy that. This first one will goes to the power. Since we are using breadboard, our power is located here. And let us arrange to make it straight. Okay. And next one is this trig pin will goes under the pin number 13. So in order to do that, this trig pin will goes under this hole, and that hole will connected into this one, go to the pin number 13. Let us change the color into green to make it easily to distinguish. Anyways, these are the vertical lines, so that means they are connected vertically and they will not be connected horizontally, unlike the ground and the power. So next is for the echo, it will be goes under the 12. It goes on in pin number 12. So let us copy that. This echo will be connected here, and this one will be connected in pin number 12. And lastly, oops, just wait. The ground pin should go in the ground also. So this pin will go this in ground. And let us change the color into black. So we are done setting up the ultrasonic distance sensor. And next is for the PIR sensor. So we need to get that PIR sensor. Let's go to the basic. And this PIR sensor, just wait. Okay, here. I will place the PIR sensor here. And then let us go to the reference. So this first pin goes in pin number 2. So let us do that. This first pin. Okay. Let us make a color green. Color green. Okay. And this will go in pin number 2. Okay, just wait. It is not straight. I am doing this to make it more organized. And let us move this one also. Okay, that's enough. So let us go to our reference once again. This second pin will go to the power. So let us do that. This power will go here, since it is a power. And let us change it into red. Next one is this third pin will go in the ground. So this will go in the ground. And let us change the color into black. Okay. So we are done in our sensors. So let us proceed into the button. So where is the button? Here. We will put this button in our breadboard. So let us get this button. And we will put this one into at this position. And now the button uses a resistor, and the resistor is connected into the ground. So let us do that. We need a resistor which is connected into the ground. This is the ground and this is connected into the button. And make it 10. Next is this pin will be connected into the power. So the power connected to that pin, and change the color into red. And lastly, for the button, this pin is connected into pin number 4. So this pin is connected into pin number 4. So let us change the color into green. Now we are done in the button. We will proceed into the LED. We will need a LED. And this LED is connected here. And let us go to our reference. The LED is connected to the resistor, and the resistor is connected to pin number 7. So let us do that. We will need a resistor connected to this pin, and that pin will be connected in pin number 7. Pin number 7. And for the last pin, it will be connected into the ground. It will be connected into the ground. This one into this one. Okay. And for the last part is the piezo. So we need a piezo. This one. And let us rotate for a better design. Okay. And for the reference, this pin is connected into the ground. So let us do that. This pin is connected into the ground, and the wire color is black. And next one, this pin is connected in pin number 8. So we can adjust this one. And this pin will be connected into pin number 8. Okay, and the wire color is green. So let us make it a little bit straight. Okay, let us double check. Since we are done with the piezo, we can delete this one. And we will delete this one also. And this resistor, this button, this ultrasonic, this LED, and I forgot to change the value of the resistor of a LED into 500, and we will be using ohms. Okay. So we will delete this one. And lastly, before to delete this Arduino board, we should get the code inside that Arduino board and transfer into this Arduino board. So let us go into the code and let us copy all of this code. Just wait. Okay, let us copy. And we will paste the code in this Arduino board. This Arduino and go to the code. This block, make it text and continue. So replace all of this code. By the code we copied before. Paste. Okay. Let us change this formula for a better experience in ultrasonic distance sensor and make it 25 and less than or equal. Okay, I think we are done. But before that, we should delete this Arduino board. Okay. And align. And let us try to simulate the code if it will work. So first, this sensor of ultrasonic distance, when it goes higher, the piezo will stop the sound. And when it goes down, the piezo will sound. So let us turn it up. Okay. And this PIR, when we move this object, the LED will turn on. And when we stop this object, the LED will turn off. And it will turn off. Another thing is the button. When the button is pressed, the LED will turn on. And it will turn off when we release it from pressing. So we are done converting our project into much cleaner code or into much cleaner interface of our Arduino project using a breadboard. And that's all for today. Thank you.